Yeah. Yes, I did.
So, as you spoke about Khatro Ke Khiladi season 14, so you redefined what it means to be fit overall, doing those high adrenaline tasks with such an ease. How do you keep pushing your body to such extremes? And what's that piece of advice you would give to our audience over here as well to just push your boundaries, not just in gym, but also in real life?
Ooh, that bear, my God, yaar. He was very angry that day. He was very angry that day. I'm just gonna. He was. Look at me. I'm like, "Maa kiya ye." He was very angry. And त्याच्या edit मध्ये ते एवढं कळत नाही आहे. He first of all, they gave me the rope. I was standing over there. And the rope is damn heavy. And that rope is going into the water also. So because of the water, half of the rope is gila. And that's why it's heavier. And it's not even fitting in my palms. And after they made me hold the rope, uske baad they went to get the bhalu outside. And the bhalu was not in mood to come out. So 20 minutes I'm standing with the rope and I'm like shouting, "Arey kab aayega? Bhalu kab aayega?" And nobody's even responding. They're not bothered. Pakad ke khada rahe. Chal. And I'm like, and by the time the bhalu came out, my hands were all sore already with the rope. और फिर भालू आया एंड ही वॉज नॉट इन द मूड टू कम आउट. 20 मिनट उसको कन्विंस करने के बाद बाहर आया. सो ही वॉज ऑलरेडी एक्सट्रीमली एंग्री. एंड ही वॉज जस्ट पुलिंग एंड स्टैंडिंग एंड लुक एट मी लाइक दिस एंड आई एम लाइक धड़ अगेन पुलिंग स्टैंडिंग एंड लुक एट मी लाइक. पुल करके ऐसे पैर के नीचे रोप दबाता था और ऐसे खड़ा रह के देखता था. So I have good memories, like fond memories of him. He gave me a hard time. Physically, I feel you start ignoring the pain. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I mean, if you feel, because कुठल्याही गोष्टीला ना, I feel, let's stop sensationalizing everything that we go through, our problems or the difficulties or the hardships or the physical pain. I think we have the capacity to endure everything very easily. It's not that great a pain. You have a swollen leg sometimes, so 2-3 stunts you do with a swollen leg. But if you ignore the pain, you do it with a swollen leg. It's okay, it's your job. You do it because you're going to enjoy the stunt. So for that point of time, like if you're doing the stunt for about 10 minutes or 12 minutes, you ignore that your leg is swollen. And you do it. You get to, और कुछ नहीं हुआ पैर को, बाद में ठीक हो गया पेन किलर लेके 2-3 दिन में. ऐसे नहीं मेरा पैर टूट जाएगा, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. It doesn't make sense. So I think self-pity and sensationalizing your hardships and pain is something that we should stop. If we can manage doing that, then Khatro is actually not that tough a show. All the stunts are real. There is a myth that अरे ये तो सब manufactured होगा, shot लेके ऐसा नहीं है. They're all real stunts and everything. But injury is a part of Khatro Ke Khiladi. I just started thinking that I want to ignore it. I want to ignore the injury. And certain stunts I used to do कि मैं छोड़ूंगा ही नहीं. Like there was this water stunt that I did where we were being put in water on a rotator and getting us out again. And in the end they had just kept us inside because the 2 of us were left. और जो breath छोड़ेगा वो बाहर. तो तभी I had told myself that I will die but I will not come out. But I'm going to stay there. So then I stayed there. It's that. So if you've just made up your mind up to something, you achieve that goal. It becomes as simple as that.
So your incredible balance of strength